tayo! Seseragi Onsen. So there's a lot of sakura here. Look at that. Onsen, Seseragi-no-sato. So this is the public bath area wherein you can find the hot spring or the onsen. Inside of this, we have for men and women bath. We're not allowed to use phone, so I didn't take any pictures from the bath kasi privacy. But if you want to see the bath, I will put the link down below. Alright? And now we're here to this statues. So, mga statue na to has different faces. So, may nakangiti, may nakasimangot, may nakatawa, merong malungkot. So, I took advantage of it kasi ang cute and napaka-significant talaga nitong statues nito kasi may symbolism siya and mga warrior kasi siya. So, this one naman is the doll for Kodomo no Hi or the Children's Day kasi may Children's Holiday here in Japan and it is on May 5. So, at the backyard, meron din silang koi pond. So, this is some of the koi fishes in the Seseragi Onsen. So, I took this video during the spring season. So, there's a lot of sakura trees. Sobrang ganda niya. And I think maganda rin pumunta during autumn kasi orange naman yung paligid niya. And dito sa Seseragi, meron ding iba't ibang activities na pwedeng gawin. Pwede kayong mag-barbecue, pwede kayong gumawa ng soba making, odong making, pizza making, so madami mga activities. And ang ginagawa lang talaga namin dyan sa Seseragi is naliligo sa hot spring and para mawala din yung pagod namin and ma-feel namin yung sarap ng tubig dito sa Ishikawa. Sobrang ganda lang din talaga ng scenery dito, kaya look at the cherry blossoms, sobrang ganda. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Yummy. Look at those sakura. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you like this one. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, alam niyo na gagawin nyo. Just subscribe na and click the notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga next videos ko. Alright, so I'll see you again on my next one. Bye! Channel!